making the best kind of tea is something you need to learn to do, but you need to have a better tea maker or coffee maker to help you. There are plenty of machines that you can pick from, and you should choose the one that you think you can use the most. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best available on the market. The Gourmia GTC8000 can brew perfectly balanced loose leaf teas and coffee grounds with one-touch, automatic ease. It offers backlit LED touch sensor panel, which includes light, medium, and strong strength controls, safety warning, and refresh cycle. It has exclusive refresh cycle, which enlivens tea leaves for maximum flavor infusion. Also, the extra fine stainless steel filter, 4-cup sparkling glass carafe, and brew chamber ensures complete flavor purity. With its 3 brew settings, you have control over the duration of the brew cycle, so you can brew any variety of tea: white, green, oolong, and black. Plus, the tea square includes a 4th setting for a refresh, which hydrates and rinses your tea. Touch is a fully automated tea basket, moves down then up, gently agitating the leaves to precisely infuse your tea. It is fully programmable for all types of tea, water temperature, and steep times. Moving tea basket allows water to circulate freely around the individual tea leaves for maximum infusion. It has different tea materials such as black, green, white, and oolong, requiring exact water temperatures and controlled brew times to allow their unique flavors and aromas to develop during brewing.